tõesti olin mitu nädalat nähtud.
What would it be and would you call it to his face if you were faced with him in all his glory? What would you ask if you had just one question? And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slide like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus. Trying to make his way home.
Sa oled lolliks, mis teed siin?